In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Dynamics 365. Let's jump right in and make sure we have everything set up correctly for a seamless emailing experience. Before we begin creating and sending emails via Dynamics 365, it's crucial to confirm that your email configuration is properly set up. Your mailbox must be set up and indeed enabled within Dynamics 365. Specifically, if you're using server-side synchronization, you'll want to ensure that your mailbox is both approved and test and enabled. A properly configured mailbox is fundamental for ensuring that all your communications go through without a hitch. Now, once your email is all set up, you'll need to navigate to the appropriate record from which you want to send an email. This could be any entity, such as a contact, lead, account, or an opportunity. Open up this record to access the Timeline or Activities section. This area is where you'll initiate your email. Next, your task is to create a new email activity. Look for the Timeline section within the record you just opened. Here, you should see options to either click a plus symbol or select Create Timeline Record, from which you choose Email. You might also notice a Quick Create option or a convenient email icon in the command bar. Any of these options will help you get started on crafting your email. Once you've opened up the email activity, it's time to fill out the email form. Start by adding your recipient or recipients. This could include contacts, leads, or even external email addresses. Moving on, enter a descriptive subject line that concisely summarizes the email's purpose. Then, proceed to the body of the email. Here, you have the freedom to craft your complete message. Feel free to format your text as needed, using the rich text editor to make your email look polished and professional. Sometimes, utilizing a predefined email template can save you both time and effort. If you have a template you frequently use, insert it to streamline the process. Similarly, if your email requires any supporting documents or files, you can attach them directly to your email. After completing your email, you may find additional settings available to enhance your email feature, things like follow or don't follow, which will track how the recipient interacts with your email. Or, if you're not ready to send the email just yet, you have options such as send later for scheduling or set reminder to prompt you if there's no response by a specific time. Finally, when you're satisfied with all aspects of your email, it's time to send it off. Simply click Send, and your email will be dispatched and automatically logged under the record's activities. If you need more time to make it perfect or finalize some details, you can save it or opt to save as draft, allowing you to return and complete it later. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully sent an email through Dynamics 365.